Hello everybody, this is Tarantula Man here, and I was just having a look through my collection, and my LP has freshly malted. So I'm just going to gently, very carefully get the malt out, and there's the malt, and there's the new spider. Getting big now. He was only small when he was in this, and if you look at the size of him now, he's done a lot of he's done a lot of growing in this malt. That must be the skin of the locust that he didn't eat. Okay, so looking good now. What I'll do now then is, after the tarantula malts, they lose a lot of body fluid, so it's going to spray the enclosure out, get the humidity up, and so we can have a drink. Try not to get it on the actual spider, because it is still pretty fresh. Oops, sorry. Okay. When spiders molt, they create a web bed, and they lie on that. Because they flip over, they lie on that to molt when they push the skin out. Some people think when they do flip over, some people think that they are dead, but they die by a death curl. It basically means their legs curl up to the inside, and they basically scrunch themselves up. But yeah, when they molt, they do a web bed to lie on, so they can easily push the skin out by going on that web bed. Yeah, this LP I got from the spider shop in March, I think. Just have a look. Just have a look, guys. I got this LP on the 3rd of June. The spider shop. I got it off the spider shop. It was a 6 or 7 centimetre specimen when I had it. As you can all see, it's bigger than that now, a lot bigger. So, the next video that I will be doing is a Damon variegator sampling, the giant Tanzanian tailless whip scorpion. So, stay tuned for then. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you again soon.